Shakshuka, a popular North African dish that consists of poached eggs in a flavorful tomato and pepper sauce. The Maghreb region, which includes Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia, is believed to be the birthplace of Shakshuka. Shakshuka is well suited to the traditional North African way of life, which values communal eating. Today, Shakshuka is a popular dish throughout the Maghreb region and beyond, especially Israel, where it has become a staple of modern Israeli cuisine. Come, let's make it. Take ripe tomatoes, grind it into a fine paste. Strain it with the help of the strainer. Heat kadhai, add oil in it, add chopped onions, finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped garlic. Mix and saute for 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Add tomato paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Add paprika powder, mixed herbs. Now add cumin powder, red chili powder, sugar. Mix and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Cook till the sauce thickens. Just like this. Make space for egg. Drop the egg. Let's use 4 eggs for this. Add dash of oil on top. Allow to cook chopped parsley. Salt as per taste. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Shakshuka is ready. Enjoy! Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.